Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the sovereign wealth fund, the Saudi sovereign wealth fund, which has $300 billion in asset under management. This is the public investment fund. And recently they made some increased some positions in different stocks. So they bought some stake in Facebook, Boeing, Cisco, Citi. So let's take a look at the CNBC article. So this public investment fund disclosed $713 million stake in Boeing, $522 million in Citigroup, $522 million in Facebook, $495 million in Disney, and $487 million in Bank of America. So it's been increasing its positions in many blue chip stocks, essentially going on a shopping spree to buy these stocks because they think these companies would do well in the long run, and they're taking advantage of the weakness in the market right now. So taking a look at also the Bloomberg article. They also have a $100 billion vision fund, but this is separate from that. So taking a look at these stocks, let's go back to Robinhood. First stock is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. Current price at $210. Past year up 13%. And it's been surging since end of March. Past 5 years up 167%. Slowing down a bit. Market cap of $600 billion. P ratio of 28. And in terms of analyst ratings, it's fairly positive. 84% give it a buy, 12% give it a hold, and 4% give it a sell. Another stock is Boeing, ticker symbol at BA. Currently priced at $119. Past year down 65%. Past 5 years down 17%. So they definitely took advantage of the significant dip. Market cap is $67 billion. So in terms of analyst ratings, a lot of analysts give it a hold. So 38% give it a buy, 58% give it a hold, 4% give it a sell. So as I mentioned, airline stocks, airline industries, they're not doing too well, and Boeing will definitely be impacted by the decrease in demand for flights. Next is Cisco, ticker symbol CSCO. Boeing currently priced, or Cisco is currently priced at $44. Past year down 18%. Past 5 years down 49%. Now Cisco, even though it's a tech stock, it's one of those stable blue chip stocks, and it pays a pretty good dividend yield. Market cap of $187 billion, P ratio of 17, and dividend yield is 3.28. In terms of analyst ratings, 52% give it a buy, 48% hold, and 0% give it a sell. Another stock is Citigroup, ticker symbol C, currently priced at $41. Past year down 35%. Past 5 years down 22%. So it also took advantage of this drastic drop. Market cap $87 billion. Now in terms of analyst ratings, it's fairly positive as well. 79% give it a buy, 21% give it a hold. Next is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Currently priced at $108 per share. Past year down 19%. Past 5 years down 1%. So in terms of the stock price, overall market sentiment, it dipped significantly just because a lot of the revenue comes from parks, entertainment, and people are not going to the theme parks at the moment or doing any of their cruise line, hotels. But they have a lot of potential upside with their streaming service, Disney Plus. Currently, market cap is $197 billion. And they also cut their dividend yield for the quarter, so we'll see whether they put that dividend yield back later this year. Now, in terms of analyst ratings, 61% give it a buy and 39% give it a hold. Last but not least is Bank of America, BAC, ticker symbol, currently priced at $21. Past year down 24%, past 5 years up 30%. Also, it dipped end of January, early February. Current market cap is $186 billion. Now, in terms of analyst ratings, 60% give it a buy and 40% give it a hold. So a lot of these blue chip stocks are fairly rated positively, and the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund, this public investment fund with an asset under management of $300 billion were deployed into these blue chip stocks, and they have a positive outlook in these American companies. So that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.